Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Pretty cool little design. Look like a twisted interlocking ring type deal. Let's nudge this out of the way. And let's start with a rectangle. We're going to go ahead and make the rectangle something easy to make it by 5. And so I'm going to put my ratio with my edit corner is locked, so I'm going to go 3 inches. Makes a perfect circle. I'm going to make this one actually a little bit shorter than I did that one. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour 1.5 inches. I am going to go ahead and go to Object and break the contour apart. I'm going to take the 3-point curve line and go from about that node all the way over there, but then I want to get it right where it's not intersecting that line. So we're a little bit off, and I can grab my shape tool now and just kind of move it just minutely, because I don't want it really, I want it touching that line, but I don't want it over that line. Let me go a little bit more. It can actually go a little bit past the line. You don't want to go it other way. So we're going to do a lot of, because we're working in the center of the page. No, I'm not even working in the center of the page. Let me take that out for a second. Let me hit P and put it in the center of the page, because we're going to do a lot with the center of the page here. 3-point curve line. We're going to go from that node over there and do what we did before. We don't want it touching, and we're pretty good. Now, I am going to Control D, Alternate C, and rotate that line 180 degrees. That put the exact line on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and group that together, Control G, Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key. It doesn't matter where you start, but I'm going to go downwardly, over, down, over. So we've got interlocking kind of rings. I'm going to go ahead and fill them all in. We don't have to. You can fill in just part of them, but I'm going to go ahead and fill them all in because we can play with that later. Now I'm going to take this one right here, and you can see that this one's actually going underneath the other one. So I'm going to take my interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go down here and put dark there, but I want dark on the other end too. But then I can bring in that same color to the middle, and that looks pretty good. Maybe I'm going to extend this up just to here, make it not quite as dark. And you could put another blue here, light blue, and just kind of give it a little bit more. Now, what I said about filling them all in, I can delete this one. I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. Now I'm going to take this one, get the interactive fill tool, and I'm actually going to go down. That one is supposed to be going underneath that one, so I'm going to go here to black. And I'm not going to take a lot of time manipulating them too much, but that's exactly this one. So I'm going to Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 180 degrees. Now we can take this one. It's going underneath that one, so we want black on this end. And we'll leave the gold or the turquoise there. Let me bring that in a little bit more. Let me bring this back, give it a little bit more darkness. So this is the exact one. I'm going to delete it. We could put it right on top. It wouldn't hurt. Control D, Alternate C, 180 degrees. Now we just need to do one more, which is this one. This one's going underneath that one too, but it's also a curve like that, so we want dark on both ends. Interactive fill tool. And I'm going to put dark so it looks like it's going underneath there, but I'm also going to put dark so I want that corner dark. So we're going to bring in, this is short like the other one. So we're going to leave, we could leave just one, but we're going to put 2. Now this is exactly the same here. So I'm going to delete it, Control D and make a duplicate, Alternate C, and rotate it 180 degrees. And there you have it. Sometimes this looks good with black, but I might have gone too much. If I take away my outline, it looks pretty good. Let me select it all, take away that red hairline, and it looks okay. I maybe should have brought my curve a little bit more. I think I did a better job on this one. I actually think in this case it would look better with a different color than black. Kind of show it off. Kind of a fun project. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.